You know, and I've learned that especially as a young investor, somebody said this to me, I think as an insult, but he said, Dakota, you know, I think I've got you figured out. You're a bottom feeder. And I was a little bit offended at first, but I came home, and this is some wisdom from Hannah here, but I realized that's a compliment. Because that's absolutely true. When you're a young entrepreneur, you win by being scrappy.
Right.
You win by boots on the ground, seeing opportunity where nobody else sees opportunity, and taking risks that everybody else has passed on. And that is how I built my fortune.
Right.
So be scrappy. Be that bottom feeder. Do it with pride.
Yeah.
But if you're going to be a bottom feeder, which I believe is what you're going to have to do to really get started, you're just as likely to lose your money as make your money if you're not following these steps in your due diligence.
Awesome.